Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another 52 card stick up video. And so today we are on J. And today we are going to do a super easy one because hubby and I got sick. It's been almost a week now and bad enough that I decided to actually go to the doctor. And I'm hoping I can make it through this video. I'm going to sand on this. And I really debated on whether I was going to do this or not, but I really wanted to do it. The only thing is I'm hoping I don't have a coughing fit in the middle. Everything is going much better. We're on the mend. And, yeah, so I just thought, you know, I have not been in my art room in a week. And I just really, really wanted to do something. And so I thought, you know, I'm going to come on here and we're just going to kind of, whoops, spilt my garbage. We're just going to do a super simple one just to kind of show you if you want to do something, it doesn't need to be fancy. It doesn't need to be anything super special or hard or tricky. We are going to, oh, I didn't look at our card, 7 of clubs. We're going to use our children's dictionary that we've cut out of before. I specifically bought this dictionary to cut out of. And, you know, it just, I know it seems like a waste, but in my heart now, I have finally come to the conclusion it's not really a waste. So I like this jackrabbit right here. So I am going to cut him out. I'll leave the words with him, but more than likely we will not use them. But I like him. So we're just going to flip through here. I'm going to pick some. We're going to glue them on, and that's going to be the end of the story. And then we can all see just how quick we can do things and that it doesn't have to be anything extra special. I like that jukebox. It's almost too big. I think I might leave it. It's almost too big to, it would take up the whole card. Well, you know what? We're already decay. So there's not a whole extra lot of things to do. So I guess I am going to use that jukebox. I also could go through and just pick some of the words that I liked that start with J. But we're just going to, like I said, we're going to make it easy. So we'll just see. Maybe we'll only just have a very few pictures. I don't know what this is. The wagon jolted along. Oh, for the word jolt, it has a Western wagon on there. But we don't want that. I do like that jewelry. So I think we'll take that. The jester's kind of creepy. The jet's, I don't like the jet. I do like the jellyfish because I like jellyfish, but that's not, we'll cut it out anyways and see what we can do with it. I don't quite like the way that it's got that black background, but maybe if we shape it correctly, or, you know, give it a better shape. I don't like that squareness there, but, so what else do we have here? I don't want the Jeep. The jar, I actually have a set of bowl and silverware that is just exactly like this. That same color red with the gold and the black. That's really kind of cool. I'm not sure what it is. I got it used. Oh, jade. I do like jade. So we're going to take that also. There's jaguars, but they're so small you can't hardly see them. Jack-o'-lantern, jackknife. We're going to take the jade. And, oh, maybe we'll, since we haven't done this in a while, on some of them we were putting the letter. So maybe we'll take the letter too. And that's it. There wasn't much in there. I'm kind of glad I decided to do the dictionary because I'm not so sure how easy it would have been to find J pictures in the magazines. And this is going to be a really quick video. So we better cut them out and lay them out before we start putting glue on them. So I don't think we really need that to be that big. So we'll cut it back. But I hope you're all doing well. It's been a really long time since I've had a summertime cold or anything, or a springtime cold like this. Really kind of took us by surprise. The surprise was it just didn't want to go away. Make sure you take care of yourself. I'm back to work today. I missed 2 days of work, Thursday and Friday. I'm going to leave that jade on there because I kind of like that. And I don't usually miss work. That's just something, you know, maybe my generation, maybe not just my generation. I mean, I raised my kids to, you don't just miss work just because, but it's been a long time since actually I didn't know how to put on my time card. I didn't know how to put a sick day on because I don't think I've ever taken one. I've only been there 2.5 years, so, but I don't think I've taken one. I've taken personal days. I don't know that I want those. But I think we'll just, yeah, we're just going to cut out this piece of jewelry. We're not going to use any words or anything with it. But yeah, I really missed doing something. So, you know, this is just going to be kind of happy I have this series because, like I said, I debated on not doing it. And I kind of did it because, you know, I promised a weekly video. And not that any of you would have minded. I definitely know that. But it gave me some incentive to go ahead and do it. And I'm really glad I did because I just have been wanting to do something, not really knowing what, and kind of not feeling like anything. But then you kind of just sit around and think, oh, my time is wasting. I mean, I haven't stitched. I haven't done anything, even though I've been just laying around, just a lot of sleeping. So even though I kind of like had time in my chair, I really still didn't do any crafting. There we go. Now let's see what we've got and what we can do here. The Jaguars wound up coming off just because I was getting the jade above it, but so we'll just cut them out just in case. All right, let's see what we've got here. I think that we'll put the J right up here. Let's get here's our card from last week. Our color was indigo last week. I did write it in brown here. Just so it would blend a little bit, but still be able to see it. All right, we're going to get our hole punched in here so that we know where that's going to be. Oh, here it is. I almost couldn't find my hole punch. I cleaned everything up, you know. That makes it hard to find anything. All right. I remember my mom always used to say, I put it up for safekeeping and now I can't find it. How many cards we've got already? These have really turned out really cool and they've been very fun. They don't take long at all. So we're going to put that right there. I'm going to kind of see if I can see through it. It's going to take off the top of my J. I think that we'll put that down there like that so it doesn't take off the top of my J. If I don't have anything there, I don't. Maybe I'll have something that I'm going to put behind it. jukebox. Boy, that takes up a lot of room. I really want that up there. Let's see. Maybe we'll put the jukebox here. Or maybe we'll put the jukebox up here. Just kind of, I can kind of see through my paper to see where I'm going to wind up cutting it a little bit. To see. So if I do it there, it's going to have a hole right there. That's okay. And then we can put the letter J here. And then our rabbit's pretty tall, so he can go up in that area. But what do we want to do with the jade? I'm guessing maybe we don't want to, put the jade there. Looks like that might have a little bit of jade in it also. Put our rabbit here. And our jellyfish here. They're so small I can't hardly even tell which way they go. All right, there's a little jaguar right there. What if... Okay, I think that will do it. Now, you know, we could very easily ink around all of these, but because I'm really happy with the fact, knock wood, that I have not started coughing yet, and I really don't want to ruin the video by starting, because once I start, I can't stop for a little bit. So I'm gonna put that there. I do remember jukeboxes. They were so fun. I can remember McDonald's used to have jukeboxes. What do I want? I think I want this one on first. They used to have little ones at the table. You put your dime in. And I am putting this upside down because I want to be able to see the jade more than I want to be able to see the definition. I'm going to cover that up with the other jewelry anyways. Do that like that. Then we'll put the J on. Jackrabbits. Now see, I should have kept the jackrabbit and read about him because we have a ton of rabbits, but I don't know what makes them. I think that jackrabbits are a very special kind of rabbit. Like, I think they're very large. I'm not really sure. I don't know what we just have. I don't know what kind of rabbits we have, but we have a lot of them in our yard. You see them every morning. Go to leave the driveway. Somebody's running one way or the other. You have to really watch for them. Right, I'm going to get ready to do that one. Because I think this is going to go a little bit kind of under or around the rabbit's ear. We're going to put him here. And like I said, it would have looked kind of cool to ink around all of the edges because it would make them all very distinguished. But this just also goes to show you don't have to have that kind of, you don't have to do that kind of stuff, especially if you don't have the time. I don't have the time because I don't want to start coughing. Sometimes you don't have the time because you are busy. and you just want to do a quick something before you go somewhere or before you have to go do something. We're going to put this jaguar right on the rabbit's back. I should say jackrabbit. And there we go. We're going to cut around this and see how it turned out. I will wind up, not today. Usually I do it right after the video. But I will glaze this one because I've been glazing our collage and leaving our color collage unglazed. So hopefully I'll glaze it before next week. There we go. I think we've got it. Let's grab our hole punch. And there we go. See how quick that was? A really quick video, but it was fun and it turned out looking pretty good. And I always could take just a little bit of ink if I don't like just how white all the background is. I could take one of my little, like this corner on here, my little makeup brush things that I get at the Dollar Tree. I got these at the Dollar Tree, and you can just use that to kind of ink up your background. And I'm going to leave that out because maybe I'll do that before I put the diamond glaze on. There we go. That's better. I just didn't like that really sharp point. So there we go. And I even left a little bit of the card showing. See? Proud of me. Sometimes, you know, I'm a little too OCD. Anyways, there we go. I like the way that that turned out, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you're all doing well. Thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.